What's up, gals and pals? It's your boy Vino, and welcome back to 60-Second Cocktails. Ladies and gentlemen, as I promised you guys last video, I have a rum fall cocktail for all my rum-loving friends out there called an Autumn Daiquiri. So make sure you stick around because we're gonna boogie down. All right, guys, so like I said, I'm going to be making you guys a rum fall cocktail. I've been making a lot of whiskey, a lot of apple brandy cocktails. My last video was a tequila cocktail, and this one is gonna be a rum cocktail, right? So I got my cheat sheet here. Let's learn a little more about the cocktail, right? Now, this cocktail was created by a Mr. Joaquin Simo from Death & Co, okay? Now, anything that Death & Co makes, I usually love, so I'm very excited about this particular cocktail. But I will say I have made some modifications to the recipe to appeal more to my taste, which I always recommend that you guys do as well. You don't have to, make a cocktail verbatim. You can make some adjustments if you like, all right? Now, I'll tell you what those are as we go, all right? So let's look at what's in the sauce, all right? Now, the first thing he wanted, that's on the recipe, is 2 ounces of dark rum. Now, he recommended Mount Gay Eclipse, which I do not have, and I don't feel like buying it, so I'm not gonna use that. What I'm gonna use instead is Don Cool Gran Anejo. Now, I will say that he recommended that particular rum because he's had some really good apple notes in it. Now, this one actually does too. It has some kind of really delicious baked apples, some nuttiness to it. So I think you're gonna get some of that those fall flavors that we're looking for, right? So we're gonna do 2 ounces of dark rum. But you guys can use whatever you want as I'm doing. You don't have to use a specific dark rum. If you have to use what you have, Just realize the thing about rum that, rums are so different from each other that the tastes will vary, but it should still be a delicious cocktail, right? Anyway, then we're gonna do a 1/2 ounce of lime juice. All right. There's that. Then we're gonna do a 1/2 ounce of pineapple juice. Now I'm on my last can of pineapple juice. No, ladies and gentlemen, I do not have freshly squeezed pineapple juice. What am I gonna do? But I do have the second best thing, which is the canned stuff. So we're gonna do a 1/2 ounce of that. This is probably the last time I'm gonna use pineapple juice for some time, so that's exciting. All right, 1/2 ounce of that. And then we're gonna do, here's another thing I did, by the way, that I changed up. He wanted a 1/4 ounce of Demerara syrup and a 1/4 ounce of cinnamon syrup. I'm just gonna go a whole 1/2 ounce of cinnamon syrup because I really wanna bring out the fall flavors in this cocktail. I really want that spice. Again, you have Demerara and cinnamon syrup. If you wanna do the split, go ahead and do it. Or if you wanna just use the cinnamon syrup like I'm doing, do it. It's your cocktail, right? Who's gonna tell you otherwise? All right, so we got a 1/2 ounce of cinnamon syrup. I did the same thing recently with the flannel cocktail that I made, where it was supposed to be split, and I just went, I went all cinnamon. And it turned out to be absolutely fantastic, by the way. Then we're gonna do 1 dash of Angostura bitters. All right, I thought about doing a different bitters. I thought about using like maybe a black walnut or something like that, but I'm gonna try to stick to the recipe as much as I can, right? Anyway, so you're gonna pour that into your cocktail glass. I'm gonna be using a Nicanora, but you can pour it into a coupe if you like. All right, just drop some ice on the floor. Sure, my wife is gonna love that. All right, put some ice in our shaker. And we're gonna shake this for about 10-15 seconds, okay? All right, guys, so I think we gave that a nice healthy shake, all right? And I'm gonna go ahead and double strain that into my glass. All right, nice, you got a pretty little color there. A little bit of a salmonish tone. I can smell the pineapple juice is the first thing I smell coming off the glass. All right, so that looks good. Let's go ahead and garnish this bad boy with a cinnamon stick. All right. And there we have it, ladies and gentlemen. What's this thing called again? Oh yeah, our Autumn Daiquiri. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and give this bad boy a sippy sip. Right off the nose, I am getting some of that rum, that delicious rum flavor. You're getting some of that pineapple for sure. Smells good. I'm getting the cinnamon I'm probably from the cinnamon stick. Oh, wow. That is delicious. Oh, what I love about this is that on the nose, your pineapple is very prominent. But I gotta tell you, what you're getting really on the tongue is you're getting the apple notes from the rum, which I didn't know how pronounced they would be in the cocktail, because alone you could taste them, but in the cocktail I was just too sure. But you could definitely taste that. The cinnamon is kind of on the back end of the palate. Oh, this is really delicious. Super refreshing. You can tell it's a daiquiri, but it does have those kind of fall notes that are really kind of complemented. That is delicious. I'm really glad I went full cinnamon syrup again, because I'm telling you, it would have gotten lost if I did not. So I'm glad I did, because I am getting more of the cinnamon, especially on the back end. And the rum is absolutely delicious. I mean, this Gran Añejo is no joke. This is a really super delicious rum, and I think it really works well in this cocktail, right, guys? Anyway, folks, listen, this is a hit. If you're a rum fan, if you're a daiquiri fan, you're absolutely gonna love this. You're gonna love those full notes that are in there as well, and you're gonna be quite happy with this bad boy, right? Anyway, folks, if you like this video, please press like, please subscribe, and please share with your family and friends. Sharing is caring. And remember, folks, life gives you lemons, you make yourself a cocktail. Cheers.